Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the Back Office Show. This is insanely heavy and I know who this is from. This is from my good friend Dean, and he was offering some AC adapters. He had a whole load. He said, I've got a whole bunch of AC adapters. They are going in the bin. If anybody wants them, let me know. And I said, yeah, I'll have them and I'll pick them up when I'm next by down your way. But he just posted them to me, which is crazy good considering the weight. Must have cost him a bloody fortune, and he posted me actually last week. Just going to show you this WrestleMania game to check out my Nintendo NES, which I'm still working on. But this is basically a bag full of loads of AC adapters, and like, who among you could resist such an offer? Really, honestly, I'm not going to go through all of them. There's loads of them because I use them all the time and always cutting them up and messing with them. And look, he's even got some pre-cut up and messed with for me to play with. So I'm going to do an experiment with all of these at some point where I'm going to try to hook up a bunch of AC adapters that I can't even get the box shut to see if I can run them in series to make some sort of insane amount of voltage. I'm not sure yet how that's going to play out, but that's my idea. But thank you very much, Dean. That's very much appreciated, and you can see it's actually arm-shakingly heavy. Bloody heavy stuff. Thank you. The famous ivory adapter, the rarest kind in the wild. Loitron!